With a light and fluffy texture and a caramel that gives that special touch, this recipe is going to surprise you. So, we start this recipe with 240 grams of bananas. Remove the peels. Cut them in half lengthwise. Then cut them in half again and finish by dicing them into cubes. Grab a bowl and add 4 eggs, 360 grams of sugar, and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Beat with a whisk until you reach a smooth texture. Now, add 3 tablespoons of butter and ground cinnamon to taste. Keep stirring. At this point, sift 240 grams of flour. Also add half a cup of milk. Now stir until well incorporated. Now let's move on to the skillet where we'll add 240 grams of sugar. Let it caramelize, stirring throughout the process. At this point, add 1 cup of water and stir. And this is how it should look. Back to the batter, we'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and give it a quick stir. Prepare a greased tube pan with butter, add the batter, and spread it evenly. Now is the moment to add the diced bananas, distributing them on top. Once that's done, pour the caramel over. Now, just pop it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And look at this, what a show! A dessert with a light, fluffy texture and that irresistible caramel on top. This caramelized banana recipe will be a hit at your afternoon coffee. If you enjoyed this tip, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes like this. Comment below what you think and if you'd make any adaptations. Thanks for following along and see you next time.